Let's start opening it. Let me know if you want one of the last 5 teams. Stadium Club Chrome. PYT number 24. What's going on, Harrison? We haven't really had filler legs yet, so just let me know if you want one direct. The Mud Hens. Yeah, he is, Harrison. Maybe he'll be back out here one day. Red's farm system's pretty loaded right now. What up, Dallas? Saw you just snagged your pods. Nice win for the pods last night. Nice statement series. Bob Suarez. Who else? Who else is out? Yeah, I like this product. Someone was saying the retail is pretty good, actually. Who wants one of these last 5 teams? Got teams ranging from 12 all the way up. Something for everybody. Who's taking one? Topps Chrome update. I'm ready to hit a super out of Topps Chrome update and never have to see it again. That's crazy, though. That's ridiculous. Hooches. Oh, wow, nice. Another Julio. I've opened 40 plus cases of that and haven't seen a Julio. But somehow Browns hit like 5. He's a regular? Alright, we could give him a mod. Yeah, Brown pulls all the heat out of update. You guys don't want me ripping that product. Trust me. This is the second half of the case. Alright, nobody took a team. Gonna have to fill her. $25 per top 5. There we go. That'll fill it. Eight left. Yo. Welcome home.
Wasn't I just
You're
home?
welcome back.
This is home? I don't know. You live in Florida and you always... I don't know.
Welcome back.
This is interesting.
What?
Stuff's in different spots than I
well,
remember.
This was just how it was when I showed up this morning. Apparently the TV's getting put on the wall.
Oh,
I like the shelves though.
yeah, those are good. Marcus did them?
I don't even know.
Probably Marcus.
Just ready to
Because
go.
those are the ones that Sarah and I bought that were like in the same Instagram room.
I was home.
Was that right?
Yeah. Saw some fam.
I think the Orioles are the best team in baseball.
You had any 15 teamers?
We went 14-2 on the hockey. Did you hear about
No
that?
way.
That's Brown. I had Brown pick them all.
And
14-2.
Did it get late? Like, did it look
No,
good for a while?
one of the middle games and then the last game both lost.
That's crazy.
Two pick'ems. The odds were like over 20,000 to 1.
That's insane.
All the favorites won. Like it was so like ridiculous.
Yeah.
Because all these teams need to win to get in the playoffs. So like minus 250, but even still like
Right.
when you compound 16 teams like that.
Yeah, that's wild.
Don't worry, I tried to hit I hit a 16 baseball one.
That's good. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the ones I gave you were just not close.
I need well they're never supposed to be close.
6 left.
I need to hit a daily baseball like 13 teamer and just be done with it.
Yeah. Take the White Sox starting in 20 minutes. We're all betting the White Sox.
That's not bad.
Six left.
Can they can see you here?
Hmm?
I mean, is this obsolete? They put in a new like air thing too.
Well, that's been there. It's just been blocked by that thing.
Oh. What I'm saying is this green screen like is it even being used over here?
No, I don't think so. Look.
So what they should do is they should cut this off. That way you can still utilize this.
Yeah.
Because if this doesn't serve a purpose, then it's like
Well, with the way it's set up right now, it's not.
yeah. Well, yeah, they might be changing it too. But it's clean in here. It looks good.
Yeah. Yeah. Jag Senior is cleaning up.
Nice. I do need a Bowman. Is the note still there? I needed a Bowman draft empty box
Oh yeah,
and a wrapper.
we've been out.
All right, just leave the note there or
Yeah.
make a new note.
Making
Because someone asked me for a box and a wrapper and I never took it off my notes.
Yeah, we haven't had it since you asked me.
Okay. Then we need to get a goofball to get us a case. What do we do it by? We do it by the full and that's it?
Yep. No, recently we started to do it by the half.
What's that, 3?
4.
4? Oh, that one's an 8. Super Jumbo's a 6?
Yeah.
If Legacy has 3 loose boxes, I'll buy them.
Okay.
That way you can add a break and I can get that for...
Yeah.
Plus, I'm sure the guys would like to have just a random Bowman draft break added
Yeah,
to the
we
store.
can never
if
have too
if we
much
can
draft.
I'll text Mark and see if they have any.
5 left. Who wants the last 5? Ready to show this. That's you, Sean. Four left.
If you need some, holler out, obviously.
Thank you.
All day.
Me too, Dar. That would be sick. Some of the older stuff is hard to find. But eventually we gotta do something like that. We've always talked about that. Alright, two left. Well, like the 2009 draft. That's Trout year. That would make it expensive by itself. Two spots left. Who wants them? Yeah. Yeah, that'll happen too. Who's taking the last two? Somebody be the hero. Down to two. Cards ready to show. The Bowman Black Autos, the thicker ones, Chase, or which ones are you talking about? I don't remember that. That's before my time. Last two for 45. All right, sure, Sean. Sure. We're full. The Kill Mojo. Good fill. Thank you, guys. What is it? Top 4? Top 5? Top 5. Pirates and the Stros are in there. Good luck. Dice rolls a 7. Everybody ready to draft? Thanks for the fill. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7th and final, 7. Dallas at the top. Sean, Chase for 2, and John Zilla, 7. Sorry if you missed. Sorry, Vincent. Congrats to the hitters. Yeah, I like this Barry guy. He's got good vibes. Barry's positive fella. Sean, Pirates. Pairing Nationals and Reds. John Zilla getting Texas. Sorry if you missed. We made it. Gonna have to go to the bathroom, but we're just gonna go. We're gonna try and push through. Guess the first orange for 25. Keep the good vibes up. Give away some credit. Guessing the first orange for 25 in credit. This is Stadium Club Chrome. We have triple threads getting close. Take those. Take your future Stadium Clubs. See a sick break. Good luck. The glare on some of these cards is crazy. I think it's like this. This is the best way. Yeah, that could be a good idea, Phenomenon. In the immediate short term and just hold for a couple months and flip when he gets back. Definitely monitor his market, see what happens with his prices over the next couple days. Probably be able to get some deals for sure if you're looking. First auto is Jake Myers. We have a green of Corbin Burns. What's going on, Eric? Julio Beam Team rookie. Javi Baez refractor. Javi Baez, lost at sea. Destiny of Wit. Dynasty Wave of Harper. What did you think about that, the play, JP? The play that Cruz was injured on. I honestly feel like it was kind of his own fault. Obviously, it's terrible. Never want to see somebody get hurt. But it seemed like he didn't even try to avoid the like he didn't even try to look at the surface on that card. Yeah, it is his fault, right? He could have made a minimal effort to avoid contact there. Gold of Acuna for the Braves. Number 28 of 50, Ronnie. Yeah, just terrible. Blue of Pudge for the Rangers. It was very awkward. And then the craziest part of all of that was when the benches cleared and he was just laying there in the middle of like both teams were out there like fighting. I guess there wasn't really any punches thrown. But Cruz was just lying there in the middle of the whole field. Everyone was on the field. Auto of Shane Baz. For the No, I don't think he was trying to hurt the White Sox catcher. He could have just trucked the guy at that point. Probably would have been safer for him to just run through. That's a sick one. Orange of Ozzy Albies for the Braves. It's a Braves break. Got a gold Acuna and an orange Albies. 6 of 25. Who's he there with? Dansby and Contreras? Tatis Destiny. When is the official Tatis debut? April 20th? April 21st? Refractor of Vlad Sr. for the Nats. Beauty. Yeah, I didn't even realize that, JP. That is crazy. I guess it's better to just do it ASAP. Green Wander, Team of the Future. It's number 99. 420. 99 of 99. Be a good way to celebrate 420 with a little Tatis in my life. Sandy Blue. Sandyman. A little Nandomania. Hopefully he's learned his lesson and just completely stays off. Kid's gone through some stuff the past couple of years. Hopefully he's just matured from it all. Ready to go out there and just play. I'm sure it's absolutely killed him being on the sideline, especially last year during the playoffs. No way, Dallas. That's awesome. I didn't know there was a Tatis documentary. I gotta watch that. Auto of Gavin Sheets for the White Sox. Or maybe I did know that, and I just never got around to watching it. Luis Castillo green for Seattle. Torkelson, Hunter green. Liam Hendricks refractor. Hopefully he's healthy soon. It's crazy what happened to him. Prayers for Liam. Blue of Ty France. Chris Taylor refractor. Wave of Rafi Devers. Rafi Scoops. Another green. It's Luis Heel for the Yankees. Gold of Cease. Happy Cease Day. He takes the mound here shortly. It's a White Sox break. Julio base. Bobby Witt team of the future. Green auto of Royce Lewis. It's a nice hit. Go Dash. Royce Lewis. I said Lois. Green rookie auto. O'Neal, Torkelson Beam team. Jeremy Pena base. Wander Beam team. Marcus Semien blue. See teams in triple threads, 3-box, moving in the back end. Take your triple threads. Auto of Matt Brash for the Mariners. Refractor of Emmanuel Clase. Refractor of Richie Palacios. Brendan Donovan. What are you talking about? Who's in prison? One sec, we are halfway. Sorry about that. Another green. Feels like a lot of green this break. Kirby Puckett. It's a Twins break. Royce Lewis green auto. Now Kirby Puckett. Team of the Future of Wander. Tyler McGill refractor. The Menendezes. What did they do again? Or what are they famous for? Dave Winfield refractor. I love the regular refractors, man. They're just awesome. Bobby Witt. Brian De La Cruz. Blue of Lindor for the Mets. They killed their parents and then went to the Knicks game? Jesus. I don't know if I've ever heard that story. They wanted to enjoy one last night out at the Knicks game before they spent the rest of their life in jail. And they made it onto a card? Oh, I guess I have seen that card before. Gold of Romero, rookie auto, Bryson Stott for the Phillies. JP Breaks getting back on track. Beautiful JP. I guess I didn't know the specific details, but I've definitely seen that card and had at one point heard the story. That's insane. Another Julio Team of the Future. Refractor of Donaldson. Blue of Jim Abbott. Nice, JP. You getting prepared? Starting to price things out. Another Stott. I haven't had a table to show in probably like 5 years. Kirby Puckett refractor. It's a Puckett break. You setting up solo? Orange rookie auto. Of Matt Brash. Orange rookie auto of Matt Brash for Seattle. It's number 25. The second Matt Brash auto of the break. Salvi Green. Nice, JP. Enjoy yourself. That'll be fun. Speaking of your buddies, I saw Breaks with Bradley was at the Angels game yesterday. That was like the game of the year so far. Good call there by Henny. Yes, Bullwinkle. I mean, I haven't booked flights yet, but definitely gonna do my best to get out there. What's up, Dram? Boy, Hunter Brown looked great yesterday. Kool-Aid Man. Love that pick. Cease. Did Cease just strike out the side? Guy's too good. Bobby Witt, Beam Team. It's early, Jam. It's early. We'll see. It's on the hill today. First road start of the year. Redemption. Redemption. Updates base card auto. Of Bobby Witt Jr. Nice for John Zilla. And they were sitting there for a little while too. Nice hit, Zilla. Been hitting Wits left and right, it seems. Rookie gold auto of Shane Baz. Gotten some great color. It's another duplicate auto. 24 of 50, Shane Baz. Wander base. Orange team color, Willie McCovey. With Roberto Clemente standing there right next to him. Rookie refractor of George Kirby. Andre Dawson, blue. The Hawk. Torkelson team of the future. Hopefully Austin Meadows is all good soon. Sad to see. Bo Bichette refractor. already seen 2 players this year go on the injured list with anxiety. Definitely hope they figure it out. Strider. Refractor of Rodolfo Castro. Nice. Twins break. Get a Royce Lewis and now a Miranda. The Twins rooks. Dash. Jose Miranda. Blue of Yuli. That is the break. Recap coming. Felt like we had a couple of bonus autos there. We gotta count the autos. Supposed to have 8. Felt like 10. Yeah, I was thinking that too when I originally saw that Y Meadows was on the injured list. I'm sure, I mean, maybe not. But I feel like if they didn't want it to be known, they would have just made up a different injury. Yeah, we did have 10 autos. We did have 10. Congrats to the hitters. That is Stadium Club.